Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear two sector circular flow of income. We know that there are two types of circular flow of income. Number one, real flow. Number two, money flow. Let us discuss this real flow and money flow with the help of diagrams. Suppose that initially there are two sectors in the economy. Number one, household sector. Number two, farms. Household sector means consumers and farms means production sector. First of all, household sector provides their factor services in terms of land, labor, capital or enterprise to the production sector. In hours, production sector is giving flow of goods and services to the household sector or consumption sector. So this is known as real flow. Next one is monetary flow. So real flow means when factor services are flowing from household sector to production sector and goods and services are flowing from production sector to household sector, that is known as real flow. Next one is money flow. Again, I am drawing two sectors of the economy. Number one, household sector. Number two, production sector. Now production sector is rendering factor payment in terms of rent, wages, interest and profit. So factor payment services are rendering from production sector to household sector, and household sector is giving consumption expenditure to the firms. So this is known as money flow. So circular flow of income means flow of goods and services and money from one sector to another. So in our next diagram, I am drawing two sector circular flow of money. It means we are drawing real flow and money flow in a combined diagram. Two sectors of the economy as it is. Number one, first sector is household sector, or these are the consumers, and these are producing units or production sector or farm. So first of all, let us prepare real flow. In real flow, services are rendering from household sector to production sector in terms of factor services, in terms of rent, wages, in terms of land, labor, capital or enterprises. In the hours, production sector is providing of goods and services to the household sector. Next, production sector is giving factor payment to the household sector. Factor payments in terms of rent, wages, interest and profit. And similarly, household sector is providing consumption expenditure to the production sector. So this is known as two-sector circular flow of money, in which we have combined real flow and monetary flow. The question carries 4 marks. If he is asking prepare real flow, then you have to prepare just first diagram. If he is asking prepare monetary flow, then you have to prepare second diagram. And if examiner is asking prepare two-sector circular flow of income, then you have to prepare a combined diagram, real flow plus money flow in a third diagram. So this was all about circular flow of income in two sectors economy. Our next video is related to the problem of double counting. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to the theory of national income.